Good afternoon all. Now let us see the video lecture series on even and odd signals. See, continuous and discrete time signal. Continuous time signal means a signal that is defined for every instant of time is known as continuous time signal. Continuous time signals are continuous in amplitude and continuous time. It is denoted by x of t. Discrete time signal, a signal that is defined for discrete instant of time is known as discrete time signal. Discrete time signals are continuous in amplitude and discrete in time. It is also obtained by sampling of a continuous time signal. It is denoted by x of n. Sampling is nothing but process of conversion of time domain to analog signal to digital signal. This is the representation of continuous time signal and discrete time signal. Next one, even and odd signal. Even signal is also called as symmetric signal. Odd signal is also called as anti-symmetric signal. Say a signal is said to be an even signal if the inversion of time axis does not change the amplitude. Example, cosine wave, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Even signal satisfies the condition x of minus t is equal to x of t. X1 of t is equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. Anti-symmetric signal. A signal is said to be an odd signal if the inversion of time axis also inverts the amplitude of the signal. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Odd signal satisfies the condition x of minus t is equal to minus x of t. X odd of t is equal to x of t minus of x of minus t by 2. Right, this is the find the even and odd components of the signal for the given sum x of t is equal to cos t plus sin t. X1 of t is equal to x of t plus x of minus t by 2. Therefore, x of t can be already given. X of minus t is nothing but cos of minus t cos t. Sin of minus t minus sin t. Now we can going to add x of t plus x of minus t, cos t plus sin t plus cos t minus sin t by 2. Sin t plus sin t minus sin t gets cancelled. 2 cos t by 2 which is equal to 2 gets cancelled. X1 of t is equal to cos t. X odd of t is equal to x of t minus of x of minus t by 2. Therefore, which is equal to cos t plus sin t minus of cos t minus of sin t divided by 2. Therefore, cos t plus sin t minus cos t plus sin t by 2. Therefore, plus cos t minus cos t gets cancelled. Therefore, 2 sin t by 2. 2 gets cancelled. X odd of t is equal to sin t. Another sum, x of t is equal to cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t. We can find out the even signal. X of t plus x of minus t by 2. Cos of minus t is equal to cos t, sin of minus t minus sin t. Plus cos t into sin t, cos of minus t cos t, sin of minus t minus sin t. Therefore, minus of cos t into sin t. Therefore, cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t plus cos t minus sin t minus cos t sin t divided by 2. Therefore, plus sin t minus sin t gets cancelled. Plus cos t into sin t minus cos t into sin t gets cancelled. Therefore, cos t plus cos t, 2 cos t by 2, 2 gets cancelled. X1 of t is equal to cos t. Next one, we can find out the given sum odd signal x of t minus of x of minus t by 2. X odd of t is equal to cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t minus cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t by 2. Therefore, plus cos t minus cos t gets cancelled. Therefore, 2 into sin t plus cos t into sin t by 2. 2 gets cancelled. X odd of t is equal to sin t into 1 plus cos t. Next one, for the given diagrammatic representation, we can find out the even and odd signal. X of t minus 1 to plus 1. X of minus t, that is the folded signal of x of t is nothing but x of minus t. Now we can going to add x of t plus x of minus t. We can going to add minus 1 to plus 1. Divided by 2 means the amplitude divided by 2, we can get it as your 0.5. Minus 2 plus 2. X odd of t is equal to x of t minus of x of minus t by 2. That is nothing but the amplitude gets minus 0.5 to plus 0.5. Next one, this discrete time even and odd signal x of n can be given. X of n is minus n is nothing but a folded signal of x of n. X of even of n is equal to x of n plus x of minus n by 2. The divided by 2 means the amplitude divided by 2. 1 we can get 0.5 to 1 3, 1.5. X of n minus x of minus n already given. Minus x of n means x of minus n is the folded signal of minus x of minus n. Divided by 2 means the amplitude can be divided by 2. We can get the answer. Next one, find the even and odd components of the signal. X of n is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4, 5. The arrow mark represents the index value. Therefore, the arrow mark represents the x of 0th value. Previous value is -1, -2. After the index value is x of 1, x of 2. Therefore, x even of n is equal to x of n plus x of minus n by 2. While we substituting n varies from -2 to +2. Therefore, n is equal to -2 means x of -2 plus x of 2 divided by 2, which you can get 3 plus 5 divided by 2, 8 by 2, we can get 4. N is equal to -1 means we can get 3. N is equal to 0, 1. N is equal to 1, 3. N is equal to 2, we can get 4. Therefore, x even of n is equal to 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. 1 represents the index value. Similarly, for odd signal, x of n minus x of minus n by 2. N varies from -2 to +2. We can get x odd of -2 is equal to -1, -1. N is equal to 0, 0. N is equal to 1, 1. N is equal to 2, 1. X odd of n is equal to -1, -1, 0, 1, 1. 0 represents the index value. Now we can see the assessment. If the inversion of time axis does not change the amplitude, is called as even signal. Define antisymmetric signal. A signal is said to be odd signal if the inversion of time axis also inverts the amplitude of the signal. Odd signal is also called as antisymmetric signal. A signal that is defined for every instant of time is known as discrete time signal. Even and odd signals can be represented in both continuous time and discrete time. Odd signal satisfies the condition x of minus t is equal to x of t. Minus x of minus t. Minus x of t. Thank you.